So you are an entrepreneur, you start a new company, you need a website. It can take months until you will be able to sit down with a web designer and get one done. This is too much. Then you turn to AI-powered website builders and decide to give them a try. Well, you don't have to, because today I will sit down with you and I will show you how to use two popular AI-powered website builders. Then you will be able to decide whether they are good and you want to use them. So this is Hocus. This is very easy to start. It's a popular AI-powered website builder. And you start by inputting your email address. And then you start the creation process. You start by picking the category which describes better your website's purpose. And you can start searching, using your natural language. And we'll propose some alternatives. So you pick one category which reflects better your business. And then we move forward. And we'll ask you to personalize the website by selecting the services you wish to offer. So pick what is important for you, what you do on a daily basis, what you start with. Then you have to tell what you want to do with the website. Sell, collect testimonials, write a blog, and this will be reflected in the number of, in the menus you will get. You'll see very soon. Then you have the option to pick an address. So choose your physical address, or you can opt for an online business only without an address, but I think it's better when you have an actual address. So you need a name for the business, maybe the name of the company. Anyway, this is important, this is branding. Then you need to say 3 unique aspects of your business, like something from your unique selling proposition. What makes you good? You can see your progress on the left bar. Now you have the choice to select the website contact form or email or phone, but website contact form is pretty popular nowadays. And now you have a website. It will propose you 3 styles. You can navigate between them and you can change the color palette. And of course you will be able to edit the website, add categories, add pictures, change text. But see, it looks professional. You can start selling having this kind of website. You will not be embarrassed. You can add your logo. And now you can create your website. And it's building in the background. You will soon have a website. And this is it. Pretty, professional, clean. You just need to do the additional work. To change text, to add text, to maybe change pictures with the more appropriate ones. But you will be ready today. And you can switch it to your domain. Or you can buy a domain from them. Now, if you want to pay, and you will need to pay, you can choose between an annual plan of $150 or a monthly plan of $15, which is, I would say, pretty affordable. Now this is the second option. It's Layout Builder. You start with your slogan. You enter it there. Then you choose a domain if you have one, or you can start building now and add the domain later. Then it's asking you basically if you want to sell products or services, and if you need an about page, features, place for photos, testimonials, team members if you want, and a contact page. And it's asking you for a logo. Now this is very interesting. It's asking you if you already have a website, because if you have, it will read it and try to use text from there. I have one, but it's in Romanian. Even so, it will do something. Yeah, it will take something from there. More questions? Tone of voice, if you want professional, friendly, or a mixture between professional and friendly. An image in About Us, yes, please. How many features you want in the features? So we're in the building process. So how many images you want in your photo gallery? You just need to pick the initial number, because of course you will be able to add more in the future. How many testimonials? If you want pictures for the people who give testimonials, better no. And what do you want in the contact form? You have to agree to their terms of service, verify that you are a person, not a bot, and finish. That's it. Now we will have a website. So here it is, our website. Professionally looking and improvable, because you will be able to edit, to add. It starts with a little tutorial which basically explains you how to edit the whole website or only some pages, which is enough to allow you to edit the website, to make changes, to make improvements, to add features and so on. And look, it has everything we asked for. Just waiting to add some meat. Is this going to fire the web designers? No. It's a good website to start. It's a good website for a small company. It's a good website for a solo practitioner. It's not a good website for a corporation, because it's not original enough. You cannot expect this to be original enough. But it will serve you for a long time, and it allows you to start searching for customers, not to focus on building the website. This is decent, will not embarrass you. Now you can save the website if you like it, and you need to create an account, of course. And if we look to the pricing, this is very cheap. It's less than $1 per month. It's $9.99 per year. Very affordable. Very good for a startup. So that's it, guys. These are the AI-powered website builders. More like some wizards, but I think very useful. Did you like this movie? Then please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Until next time, goodbye.